Hello, today we'll be checking the test number first, mathematics test number 1. So the first question was use rational numbers. Use rational numbers 4 by 9 and minus 7 upon 12 to verify the commutative property. For the addition of rational numbers. For the addition of rational numbers. So we are provided two numbers, that is two rational numbers are being provided, 4 by 9 and minus 7 upon 12, and we have to verify the commutative property for addition of rational numbers. So commutative property of addition of rational numbers will be, what you have to verify? To verify 4 upon 9 plus minus 7 upon 12, it is equal to minus 7 upon 12 plus 4 upon 9. This we have to verify. So next step will be, we'll be taking this as LHS and this is our RHS. So LHS equal to 4 upon 9 plus minus 7 upon 12. So first, as we see the denominators are different, we will take the LCM, least common multiple will be taking. So it is 36. 9 4s are 36. So here we will have 16 plus minus plus we had 12 3s are 7 3s are 21, that is minus 21, and this comes out to be minus 5 upon 36. 16 plus minus 21 is 16 minus 21, that is minus 5 upon 36. This is our first result, that is LHS result. Now we take the RHS. RHS is minus 7 upon 12 minus 7 upon 12 plus 4 upon 9. The result will be, take the LCM again, it will be 36. Here will be minus 21 plus 16. Again we are getting minus 5 upon 36. This is our second result. So if you have solved LHS correctly, you will mark 2 marks. 2 marks will be for solving LHS correctly. For RHS, if you solve correctly, it will be 2 marks. So 4 you have got. Now see here. At last what we have to write? Since answer first. That is, this is our answer first. Answer first equal to answer second. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Or you can say 4 upon 9 plus minus 7 upon 12. This is equal to minus 7 upon 12 plus 4 upon 9. Hence, commutative property for the addition of rational numbers is verified. Or you can write hence verified as well. Hence verified as well you can. If you have written these all, 1 mark. So total of 5 marks. For first question, total of 5 marks are allotted. 2 marks for LHS, 2 marks for RHS, and 1 mark for verifying. That is to equating answer 1 and second, and hence verified. So total of 5 marks for first question. Now we'll be taking second one. Second question was evaluate 3 by 4 plus 5 upon 6 plus minus 1 upon 4 plus minus 7 upon 6. So we have to solve. So now see here, first term, this is the first term, second term, third term and fourth term. First and third term, they are having same denominator. second and third. They are having same denominator. So we can club first and third, second and fourth. So first and third we will write 3 upon 4 next step plus minus 1 upon 4. In bracket we will put plus sign. 5 upon 6 plus minus 7 upon 6. Now same denominator, so 4. 3 plus minus 1 we can write 3 minus 1, or you can write 3 plus and minus 1 in bracket, plus 5, LCM is 6, same, 5 minus 7. Now solve them. It will be 2 upon 4 plus 5 minus 7, it will be minus 2 upon 6. Now see here, we can simplify them. It will be 1 by 2 plus minus 1 upon 3. Now take the LCM. LCM 6. 2 3 is 6, 3 plus 3 2 is 6, minus 2. You can write as well 3 minus 2. And this is equal to how much? 3 minus 2, 1 by 6. So answer is 1 by 6. If you have solved correctly, you allot 5 marks for this. If some steps are correct, answer is wrong, allot 3 marks. If some steps are correct, answer is wrong, allot 3 marks. Next question was third question, that is we have to write additive inverse. Additive inverse of first one, minus 3 upon 8. So additive inverse is what is to be added to this, so that we get 0 as the answer. So how we can solve? Minus 3 upon 8. Let x be the additive inverse, and the result when we add the additive inverse and the number, the rational number and its additive inverse we add, we get 0 as the result. So x will be equal to how much if we take this on this side? From LHS we take on RHS, it will become positive 3 upon 8. So additive inverse of this is 3 upon 8. So next step we will write the additive inverse of minus 3 by 8 equal to or is 3 upon 8. Don't write minus 3 upon 8 equal to 3 upon 8. This is wrong. They are not equal. What is on the left hand side? The additive inverse of minus 3 by 8 equal to 3 upon 8. Now second one. So if this is correct, put 1 mark. So in this third question, 5 are there subparts, each carries 1 mark. So 1 mark. Second, 0, its additive inverse, the additive inverse of 0 is 0. Third, minus 4 upon minus 13. This number can be written as 4 upon 13. So its additive inverse will be minus 4 upon 13. The additive inverse you can solve using this formula. The additive inverse of minus 4 upon 13, minus 4 upon minus 13 is, put minus sign, that is minus 4 upon 13. You can write this number, or minus of 4 upon 13 you can write, or 4 upon minus 13 as well you can write. These three are correct. This is the standard form. You can write in these two forms. Now fourth was minus 1 upon 3. So the additive inverse, what is to be added to this so that we get 0 as the result? So minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. So 1 by 3 is the additive inverse. The additive inverse of minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. You can see as well, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. How much? Take the LCM 3, minus 1 plus 1. 0 upon 3, that is 0. So this is the additive inverse. 1 upon 3 is the additive inverse of minus 1 by 3. Now fifth one, minus 2. So minus 2, the additive inverse, what should be added to this so that result is 0? 2. The additive inverse of minus 2 is 2. So if we add 2 to minus 2, we will get 0 as the result. That is the additive identity we are getting. 0 is the additive identity, and so additive inverse of minus 2 is 2. So each one carries 1 mark each. So total for third question is 5 marks. 1 marks for each. So 1 mark for each. Total of 5 marks. Now fourth question. Fourth was the sum of two rational numbers is minus 2 upon 3. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 2 upon 3. If one of them is minus 8 upon 15. So one of them is minus 8 upon 15. Find the other. So let the other number be x. Then as given in question, sum of two rational numbers is minus 2 upon 3. If one of them is minus 8 upon 3, so minus 8 upon 15 plus x, this is equal to how much? Minus 2 upon 3. It is given in question. Adding two numbers, we get minus 2 upon 3. Adding two numbers, we get minus 2 upon 3. One number is provided, the other number we are supposing, let that is be x, and x we have to calculate. So x will be minus 2 upon 3 minus of minus 8 upon 15. So from the sum, if we subtract one number, we will get the other number. From the sum, if we subtract one number, we will get the other number. X equal to, take the LCM, 15 will be the LCM, 3 5s are 15, here will be minus 10, minus minus will become plus, plus 8, x equal to minus 2 upon 15. If you got the correct answer, allot 5 marks. If steps are right, I mean this step is right, this step is right, or any of this step is right, allot 3 marks. For the wrong answer, deduct 2 marks. If step is right, this one is important step. If this is right, give 3 marks. So for the total 5 marks. If answer is wrong but steps are right, give 3 marks. This is clear. Fourth question. Now we'll be discussing fifth. Question fifth was evaluate. And it was given 3 by 7 plus minus 4 upon 9, minus of minus 11 upon 7, minus 7 upon 9. So this was the question, 3 upon 7 plus minus 4 upon 9, minus minus 11 upon 7, minus of 7 upon 9. This we have to solve. Now we can see first and third term. They are having same denominator. Second and fourth term, they are having same denominator, first and third. So we will club them. 3 by 7 plus, so here will be 3 by 7 minus minus 11 upon 7. First we will be writing it, plus minus 4 upon 9 minus 7 upon 9. Now see here, when we are going to put them in brackets. So 3 upon 7 minus minus 11 upon 7. Now see here, before this term it is plus sign, so there is no need to change the sign. If it would have been negative and we are putting these two in brackets, then this sign has to be changed. So for example, it is like this, minus a plus b. If you are putting them in bracket, minus we are taking outside, it will be a minus b. Now this minus, when we are opening, it is minus 1. Minus 1 into a, minus a we are getting. Minus 1 into minus b, plus b. We are again getting the same. So always remember this one. Now it is plus sign, so there will be no need to change the sign inside. So plus minus 4 upon 9 minus 7 upon 9. Now for example, if you open the bracket, we will get plus minus 4 upon 9 plus into plus minus minus 7 upon 9. So there is no need to change the sign when we are having plus outside the bracket. So now 7 is the LCM, 3 minus minus becomes plus, plus 9 is the LCM, minus 4 minus 7. So it will be 14 upon 7 plus minus 11 upon 9, and we can cancel them. It will be 2 plus minus 11 upon 9. Now take the LCM. 9 will be the LCM. Here 2 by 1 we can write. So 9 to the 18. 18 plus minus 11. And this comes out to be how much? 7 upon 9. So this is the result. If few of the steps are right and some are wrong, so give 3 marks for that. If few steps are right, some others are wrong, give 3 marks. Answer is wrong, give 3 marks. Or else, if you got the answer and you have written the steps, give 5 marks. This is clear? Now we will be discussing next question, that is 6th. So 6th question, it was find reciprocal. Find reciprocal, or we call it as multiplicative inverse. So we have to find the multiplicative inverse. So to calculate the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal, for example, a number is given. First we take 5 upon 11. Its multiplicative inverse you have to take. So what is to be multiplied with 5 upon 11, so that we get 1. What is to be multiplied? So when we are taking multiplicative inverse, the numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So its multiplicative inverse, or we can say reciprocal of 5 upon 11 is 11 upon 5. The numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So reciprocal is 11 upon 5. If it is correct, give 1 mark. Second, minus 3. So it's reciprocal, here to write complete. Reciprocal of minus 3 is 1 upon minus 3, or you can write minus 1 upon 3 or minus of 1 upon 3. These all are right. These are the standard form you can write. And never write minus 3 equal to minus 1 upon 3. That is wrong. Third one, 15 upon minus 17. So its reciprocal of 15 upon minus 17 is minus 17 upon 15. Denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. Or you can write as well minus 17 upon 15 or 17 upon minus 50. They all are same number. Now fourth, 3 upon 5. So till now first, second, third, 1 mark each. Fourth carries 2 marks. Fourth question carries 2 marks. 3 upon 5 into 2 upon 3. First you need to solve them. So 3 get cancelled. We are getting 2 upon 5. And of this we have to find the reciprocal. So reciprocal of, either you can write the whole equal to this, or you can write reciprocal of 2 by 5 equal to 5 upon 2. If you have got this correctly, give 2 marks. Others 1 mark each. So we are having 3 plus 2, 5 marks. Now the 7th question we will be discussing. Seventh question, we have to verify the associative property of multiplication. And the numbers what we have to verify? 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 7 into 2 upon 5. last two terms in bracket, this is equal to 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 7 in bracket into 2 upon 5. This we need to verify. So this is associative property of multiplication and we have to verify this. So this we take as LHS, this we are taking as RHS. So first we will be solving LHS. So 1 by 3 into 3 upon 7 into 2 upon 5, these in bracket. So first we will be solving the bracket. 1 by 3 into, so we will multiply the denominator, 7 5s are 35 and numerators 3 into 2, 6. Next we can cancel them, 3 2 ja, so we are getting 2 upon 35. This is our first answer. LHS we got. Now RHS we have to solve. RHS 1 by 3 into 3 upon 7 into 2 upon 5. These are in bracket. First we will be solving the bracket. So either you can write one more step in between. For example, I am writing one more step here. It will be 3 get cancelled. 1 into 1 divided by 1 into 7 into 2 upon 5. This is 1 by 7 into 2 upon 5. Again 1 into 2 divided by 7 into 5. This is extra step. You could have written here as well. So it will be 2 upon 35. This is our second answer. Now as you can see, answer first is equal to answer second. So next step, since answer first equal to answer second, that is therefore LHS equal to RHS. And what you have verified, therefore 1 by 3 into in bracket 3 by 7 into 2 by 5 equal to 1 by 3 into 3 by 7 into 2 by 5. So hence verified. We have verified the commutative property of multiplication of rational numbers. So if this is right, give 4 marks. If LHS is right, give 4 marks. RHS is right, give 4 marks. 2 marks for this. Total of 10 marks for 7th question. This is clear?